Let me introduce my family. This is my wife, my daughter, our dog Bailey, and Breeva. They love to play in the house. So does the dog fur and the dust in the air. She deserves the most beautiful flowers in the world. But just don't get pollen allergy. Luckily, we have breeva that instantly refreshes the air.
Hi Google, the breeva mode to autumn.
It looks like breeva is going at it again. This is such a treat. Breeva can refresh the entire living room with this large area coverage of up to 246 square feet. That's pretty good. Let's not forget the humidifying function. This is so considerate. At night, you can set it to sleep mode. That gives a low noise effect of less than 26 decibel. How simple is that? Good night, sweetheart. Breeva, hymn to air's freshness.